Hello everyone, so today we are back with another case study, and this time we will let you know how we have generated almost 120 leads at the CPA of $12 for an appliance repair company. Appliance repair company based in Australia, specializing in repairing a wide range of household appliances including refrigerators, washing machines, ovens and more. The company, despite its years of experience and expertise, faced challenges in attracting new customers and increasing its online visibility. In order to address these challenges, they sought to leverage Google Ads to drive more business and solidify its online presence. So now, in terms of the challenges that we have faced, first one is the limited online visibility. Appliance RS had a minimal online presence, making it difficult for potential customers to find their services. The competitive market. The appliance repair industry in Australia is competitive with several local and national players vying for the same customer base. Seasonal variations. Appliance repair services are often required seasonally with increased demand during certain times of the year. The challenge was to maintain a steady flow of customers year round. In terms of the solution, to overcome these challenges and create a robust online presence for them, a comprehensive Google Ads campaign was devised. First one is the keyword research. Extensive keyword research was conducted to identify high intent appliance related keywords and phrases. These included keywords for specific appliance types, repair services and common problems. The ad groups and campaigns. The campaign was organized into distinct ad groups and campaigns to target different appliance categories and repair services. This allowed for precise ad delivery to the relevant audiences. The ad copy optimization. Engaging ad copies were created for each ad group, focusing on affordability, expertise and quick service turnaround. Location targeting. Geo-targeting was used to narrow the campaign's focus to service areas of appliance RS, ensuring the ads were played to users in need of local appliance repair. The ad extensions. Site link, call out and the location extension were added to enhance the ad visibility and provide additional information about the services being offered. The mobile optimization. The campaign was optimized for mobile users as many customers search for repair services on their mobile phones. The ad scheduling. The ad scheduling was used to target specific times and day when appliance repair inquiries were most likely to occur. The negative keywords. We have carefully included the negative keywords to ensure that the ads didn't appear for irrelevant queries or the unprofitable search terms. So after setting up the campaigns using the best PPC practices and running the campaign for a few months, in the month of September we have been able to generate almost 100 plus leads in 1 month with the cost per conversion of $12. So if you have any PPC campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for the free audit. In the audit, we will let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any PPC campaigns running, then you can still contact us with your website URL, your monthly budget and the location targeting. We should be able to get back to you with the proposal and a plan of action on what you can do to generate some more conversions for your business. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.